Welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Please leave a message.
Yeah, this is Officer Small. I'm coming to notify you that I've had a complaint from the neighbor from downstairs in 306, complaining about noises up here, and you can hear down his apartment, like doors slamming and things hitting on, pounding on the floorboard. So if you could please just be mindful of that. I've been informed by the management that if I have these complaints by these tenants, I have to write up a tenant infraction. I think it's Miss Coney's apartment, isn't it? It's Officer Small. All right. So if you'd like to talk to me about it, come down to the desk. Other than